to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a new and amazing project, so don't skip the video from anywhere and watch the video completely till the end so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So guys, if you are new to our channel and did not subscribe our channel, so first of all subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every upcoming new video of ours. In the link bar you can see there is a link by the name of web3.bitget.cloud. I will provide this link in the description of the video. As you click on it, you will come to this website whose interface is currently in front of you. At the top left side you can see its logo, and here are some of its tabs which I will review completely today. So faster trading, better assets. BitGet wallet, your web3 trading wallet of the future. So you can download it for Apple, Android, Chrome. So our leading multi-chain ecosystem service global crypto users in which 100 plus mainnets, 250,000 plus cryptocurrencies, and $9 billion total swap trading volume, 40 million users, 168 plus countries and regions. So in BitGet Swap, intelligent DEX liquidity aggregation, instant coin to coin exchange for a seamless trading experience, wide variety of trading pairs, convenient cross-chain swaps with one-click best prices across the network, and a faster trading experience. So you can swap from here. So you can swap any currency from here. So in aggregates markets data from various leading protocols for accurate prices, and execute limit orders effortlessly without constant market monitoring. Enjoy future trading of up to 125 leverage. So in the ecosystem, your ultimate web3 portal to the crypto universe. Join our thriving community of 40 million users. Dive into the exciting NFT marketplace and explore limitless dApps ecosystem, all from BitGet wallet. Experience the robust NFT marketplace. Aggregate NFT collections from popular marketplaces. List NFTs with a single click and buy NFT using your favorite tokens. So you can buy its NFTs to click on NFT button. So you can discover 20,000 plus dApps. Experience cutting edge staking, DeFi, SocialFi, GameFi, and other Web3 dApps within a dynamic multi-chain ecosystem. You can discover more dApps from this button. Stake your assets to earn passive income and help further decentralize the blockchain. So download app from download app button, and in security, your security our priority. BitGet wallet mainnets a $300 million protection funds and collaborates with the leading security companies to ensure the security of assets of over 40 million users. Our $300 million protection fund is a commitment to all BitGet wallet users. We support hardware, MPC, and other wallet types while employing cutting-edge security technology to provide users assets with multiple layers of protection and effectively guard against all threats. Ensure the safety of your assets and trade with peace of mind. Enjoy enhanced safety and reliability at every step. So private key security, user protection fund, transaction environment security, security audit guarantee, open source comprehensive asset storage solution, long-term security education are available here. Comprehensive protection from assets to interactions. Personal private key in BitGet wallet is a non-custodial decentralized wallet. Only you have control and access to your private key and mnemonic phrase. BitGet wallet has also integrated the unique DESM algorithm for mnemonic phrase and private key encryption and storage. We use SHA-256 plus AES-256 plus cloud key encryption and storage verification to ensure that your mnemonic phrase and private keys are protected with the highest level of encryption. We require that all activities in the wallet be verified by entertaining a passcode, introducing dual protection for your daily transfers, transactions, and private key viewing. Do you have any other suggestion or anti-fraud techniques to improve security? Please feel free to share with us. So download BitGet wallet securely from Google Play Store, Android APK, App Store, Test Flight, and Chrome Web Store. The preferred choice for 1000 plus projects and partners are available here. You can see these partners, projects and partners. Projects and partners are given below. So use BitGet wallet now. Elevate your crypto journey with a safe, convenient, and powerful Web3 trading wallet. In the last, you can see some of its social media communities, in which Telegram, Twitter, Discord, Facebook, YouTube, Medium, and GitHub are given here. So you must join these communities to get its news and updates. On Telegram, you can see it's have a very huge community. So you also must join this community to get its news and updates. Join 40 million users in seamlessly navigating the Web3 space with BitGet wallet, the best Web3 trading wallet today. Same as you also join its Twitter community, where you can get its updates and its events. So you can retweet them to get help. So guys, that's the project today I review. I hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.